Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Honeytoon subscription in an easy and simple way. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Honeytoon account. Scroll down and click on the Contact Us option. On this page, you'll see the customer support email address. This email is specifically for subscription and account inquiries. Copy it, then open up Gmail. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has your Honeytoon subscription. Click on Compose in the top left corner, paste the Honeytoon support email into the recipient field, and for the subject line type, Cancel my Honeytoon subscription. Keep the message short and clear. Once that's done, hit send and wait for Honeytoon to process your request. After that, your subscription will be canceled, and that's it. Quick and simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching.